Hi, my name is Anub. I'm a BIM specialist working in Star Designs, and today I'm going to teach you how you can become a BIM engineer or how you can be a REVIT operator. So, if you're interested, you can watch the video. Thank you.
Good. So before getting started, let's go and download Revit file. Okay. So this I get into pc.com. So no, get into pc.com. So this is a website where you can get a lot of free softwares. Actually, AutoCAD, Revit, I mean, like NAVISWORKS. You get a bunch of softwares here, a completely cracked file, and they will be given a description like how to install this file. There will be video. If you click the link, you'll go to the video location in YouTube. You can download the video, and you can know how to just press the download button, and yeah, a window will pop up like this. To ask the location where you want to save this file, I just click the save button. Yeah, and it will take some time to download it, and yeah, you can install it with the instruction they are provided. It's actually easy. Just install it like usual crack file. Okay. So once downloaded, you can open the Revit file. So I'm just clicking the Revit file, and it will open. Yeah, it's open, and yeah, in this file, if it's open like this, and we need to start a project. Okay, so if you wanna deal with the MEP file, so we will be opening the systems default metric file. So for getting that, I'll just okay, you have to go plus new button in project, new, and browse, and it will take you to a project directory like this, and it's right now just went directly, and you just need to press open. But now I'm not going to press open. I'm going to press cancel, and okay, every time we need to start this thing. Okay, we need to get this deep systems development rig. It's for the easy access of system development rig file. I'll just let you know the option. Just go to file, again go to options, and go to file locations, and see, it's already there, but I'm gonna add one more thing. So one more system default metric file, so you can get to that file easily. Okay, so just for the easy, just copy this location. Okay, just copy, and you can paste it over here, and it will just take you the root directory of the file. Okay, just paste it, and just open. Yeah, now we are at the Revit 2019 root file, and now you can see templates. Yeah, and you can go to UES metric file, and go, yeah, there you go, systems default metric file, open. Yeah, there it comes, and now you can see if I press OK, left in the left side there will be like two systems default metric file, right? It will come. Okay, just press OK, you can see. Yeah, so it's easy. Okay, every time you open it, you can get this file easily. Okay, now I'm gonna open the first file. It will take a little time to open the file. So let me tell you, like in this file, uh, there will be like a lot of things. Okay, it's a template, so it's a predefined template in which there will be default levels, there will be default arrangements in the project browser, default a lot of default things. So it's for the easiness for us to start a project, without in a scrap. It's easy, it's like difficult to start, right? So that's why we are opening the system default metric file, so it's easiest to get a lot of things so that we can delete things and add things. Okay, so it's system, and it's for your knowledge, it's in metric file, so means all the units will be in metric, I mean in mm. Sure. So once it opened, we will be in a window like this. Okay. So you can see, and the left side of the corner, you can see the four obviously sections for the project. Right now we are not going into the much detail of that. We will be discussing in the future videos. And you can see in the left side of the okay, in the top you can see a lot of tabs, like we used to see in a lot of, like some basic softwares, like say Word, everything, right? So in Word and all, like we've seen such software, such tabs, right? If you're familiar with the AutoCAD and all, it's easy actually. I mean, it's much similar to AutoCAD actually. So no worries, we will be learning this in the okay. And the left side, there's a project browser, and that defines a lot of things. And the right side, there's a properties browser that defines some other things. Okay, we will be learning that. Okay, so let me take it right here. Okay, just because maybe if your Revit is open, it will look something like this, and you don't know how to arrange this. Okay, I'll just let you know. Just hold on the top of the tab and just take it to the left, or just throw it to the left. Okay, and it will just, we just go there, and you can see a blue line will come. Okay, a blue border will come. That means it's gonna stick over there. Okay, so then just release the button, mouse button, and it will just stick on there. Likewise, you just need to throw it to the right, and it will just stick over there. Okay, so it's easy. So so now we arrange these things, and yeah, let me okay. Okay. Okay, so in a case, maybe like if your project is open, maybe this project browser and properties browser won't be there. So in that case, you need to get these things initially, right? So just right click and go to properties. So you'll get that window, right click, browsers, project browser. So you'll get the project browser. In case if it's not there, you can get access like this. Okay, so so right now in view discipline, you can see this is electrical file, mechanical file, everything. I told you right in the before, like we have everything in this template. It's predefined, everything is set. So for the easy, for the ease of us, they've done something like this. Okay, right now we are just going to deal with the mechanical file only, because that's initially we're gonna learn. So now I want to delete some of the electrical files, and also for the ease of us to view everything. Right now I'm just going to delete electrical things. Okay, just hold any of the place and just press the delete button. Okay, delete, and everything will be deleted, so it's easy. Okay, so right now we are with the mechanical file only. We just have the mechanical file only. So now let's get started. Okay, so let's you can see it's a hierarchy, in view discipline, mechanical, HVAC, floor plans, ceilings, everything like that. So if I'm gonna go to the east elevation mech, it's a elevation file. Okay, it's elevation file, which means I'm just looking at the this building from the side view. Okay, I'm just looking at the building from the side view, and you can see these two levels are created by default. Okay, by default, which means in this template they have preset these two levels. Okay, we will be learning these levels in the future, I mean in the future videos, but just to know, there's something like levels. Okay, it's just like level 1, level 2. It's like obviously it's just like floors. Okay, we'll be adding floors. Like, just think of it like this right now. Okay, it's just levels. So we'll be saying it's a 5-level building, it's a 4-level building, like that. It's levels. Okay, so which means we'll be looking at this building right now at the side view. Basically we have these two things. Okay, we have this floor plan, we have section with the side view, and we have 3D view. Okay, in the top you can see this is a 3D view. If you just press the 3D view, it will just take you to the 3D view. So right now we haven't created anything, we just have the levels default. That's why we don't have anything to see in 3D. Okay, and basically, so we have like three views, like it's a side view, it's a floor plan, and it's a 3D view. So right now I'm in the section view. It's a side view. Okay, so I'm going to just select the layers, select the levels, and then I'm just going to press the delete button. Okay, because I don't need this. Just press the OK button. Okay, because I just don't need these levels right now, because in the architecture and structural file will be provided by the architecture and structural team to us, because we are the MEP teams. Okay, so because we don't have to worry about those things, because all the levels, at what level that next floor will be coming, everything will be planned by them. Okay, so just go to architecture tab for your knowledge. Okay, and just select the levels, and you can just draw a level right now. Okay. Okay, these two are the levels that we created right now, okay, in this file. And you can see after creating this thing, automatically two floor plans came. Okay, we can delete this floor plan and take them, just go to views. You can go to plan views, floor plan, and you can add in case you deleted those things. Okay, all right, so that's it, how we can, right now we are in a level 3 floor plan. We are looking at this building from the top. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so basically we need to know that everything will be provided by the architecture and structural team, and we will be need to create the MEP file. Okay, like they have created a architecture file, structural file, like that file we need to create. Okay, so all the details will be provided by them. We need to create an MEP file. So we need to link the files that they have provided. So I'm gonna go to manage links. Okay, and I'm going to add two links. Okay, this is the two links we're going to add. So I'm going to search to my location where the file is located. Okay, so now you can see it's REVIT central file. It's a structural file, and you can see this is an architecture file. Okay, so first I'm gonna press architecture structural file. I'm just press hit the OK button, and it will take a very small time to add the REVIT file. It's a structural file that's gonna add. Basically, we are linking the REVIT file, the structural file right now. Okay, we are not doing anything in that file. Okay, we are just linking that files for the reference. Okay, we need some space to draw, right? We need to know where we are drawing everything, so that's why we are using this architecture and structural file as reference. So now we don't need to add the architecture file, to just press add button. Okay, so this is a structural file, so we're going to add the REVIT file, the architecture file. Just hit the OK button, and it will take a very less time to add. Depends upon the size of the file. See, once it added that, that blue thing will stop. Okay, that blue, obviously. yeah, now it's finished. So now you can hit both are ready. Now you can hit the OK button. Okay, so now we are in the east elevation mech. Okay, east, so we are just looking at this building from the east view, and it's a side view. Okay, just think of like you're standing somewhere and we're just looking at the building from the side. Okay, and you can see all the levels that they have provided by the architecture and structural teams. And yeah, so basically these all things are provided by them, and we are just trying to take the things to our project. Okay, like they've given us like two files, right? Architecture and structural file. Okay, we need to create another file like MEP file. So we need to get these what we say levels and grids that they have created, because for our reference we need to know the levels and all. So we just need to copy those files into the files that we created. So for that, Revit has provided something like a copy monitor. Okay, so basically copy monitor is the process through which we can copy the levels and grids. So that will be like much easy for us to work with the files. Okay, so for that we're going to collaborate. Okay, in the window collaborate, you can go with the copy monitor, just go select link. You can select the architecture file. Okay, that will be better. Okay, just select the architecture file. Okay, just press architecture file. Okay, okay, once it's selected, in the top left you can see something like copy. Okay, we are going to copy the levels right now. Just press copy, just press multiple, and you can just drag and select the whole levels, and you can press the small finish button. Okay, okay, and that you okay, so it will take a small time to copy all these levels into our project. Okay, we are just copying their file from their project to our project. Okay, it will take a little time. So now you can go with stop monitoring. Okay, you can just stop monitor, and you can go with copy monitor, and you can just hit the finish button. So that's it. So all the levels are now copied. You can check these levels by going to views, floor plans, floor plan, and you can see all the levels that we copied right now available to make a floor. Okay, so now I'm gonna press ground floor. Okay, and we can just add. Okay, so now I'm gonna press ground floor and just hit the OK button. So you can see the left side of ground floor will be added. A new hierarchy will come. Okay, under HVAC a floor plan will come. Okay, under HVAC you can see under HVAC a floor plan. Inside that you can see the ground floor that we have created right now. Okay, a new tab also just opened and came. So now we got a place to work with. Okay, now we got a place that we can work with. So we got a floor plan. Now we can start drawing the files. Okay, before that we need to copy the grids. Okay, this all are the grids. So why we are copying these grids means while working with the file we need to get the reference. Okay, if you're doing a duct, we need to understand like from this grid to this duct, like it's 3000 mm or 300 mm, or from this grid to this grid, this is the measurement. So for that we are just going to go do the same thing. Okay, under collaborate, go to copy monitor, select link. You can select any of the links. Do the same thing, copy multiple. Okay, just select. Okay, and you can just do the hold the control button, that will give you a plus sign. Okay, which means oh my god. Okay, and once it's finished you can go just check. Okay, this filter button. Okay, under this you can check, yeah, all the grids are selected. Okay, only grids we have selected, and hit the small finish button. And you can press the stop monitoring and go to collaborate, copy monitor, just hit the finish button. Okay, now all the grids are copied, and so means all the grids and everything from their file will be copied. Okay, so we can actually check that thing. Okay, we can check like all the grids are copied or not by, I'll just show you something. Just press VV in the keyboard, it will go to the visibility graphics tab, and you can see we cannot uncheck these files. Okay, we can't uncheck these files because there is some problem. So all you have to know is just go to the properties browser under that view template, and right now it's in mechanical plan. Okay, so just go, press none. Okay, apply. So now after that, just go to VV or VG, it will the visibility graphics tab. Right now you can see all these things. Right now we can uncheck it. Okay, we can edit these things. So just uncheck these things, press OK. Right now, all right. Okay, the grids are copied. Right now the vertical grids are copied, not the horizontal grids. I don't know what happened actually. Maybe we haven't selected them properly. So we can just copy monitor that horizontal grids to this file. Just go collaborate. Okay, we need to copy these grids to, okay, these haven't copied actually before, so just go to collaborate, go to copy monitor, select link. You can select any of the links. Okay, once selected, just go to copy, select multiple, and just select the whole grids and just hit the finish button, small finish button. Make sure you press the small finish button. Stop monitoring, go to collaborate, copy monitor, just hit the finish button. Yes, so we can just check it once more. Just go to VV and REVIT links. You can uncheck these two things. Okay, and just hit the apply. Okay, so yeah, now all the links that are provided in the architecture and structural files are copied, and you can just go and check in an elevation too that all the levels are copied or not. Anyhow it's copied, just check. Just go to VV and REVIT links. You can just uncheck these two files and just hit OK. Yeah, you can see all the levels that we have copied from their file to our file. Okay, so now we are independent. Actually we can just check these two things, okay, in the elevation and in the floor plan. Okay, now actually we are independent, we have everything our own. Now we are not taking anything from their file, or we are not editing from the architecture or structural file. Now you have to do is just select the whole file and just hit the pin button, so everything is pinned. And okay, in the bottom you can see I've unchecked everything. Okay, now I can select everything. Okay, and I'm just trying to move. Nothing is actually moving because I have pinned everything. Okay, you need to know the like. And now I'm gonna check everything again. So everything. Now I cannot select anything. It's easy to work if it's like this, or otherwise it's like going the mouse with, and if it's some of them are selecting, it's hard to work actually. Okay, so now let me try to draw a duct. Okay, DT. Okay, you can or else you can go to systems, you can take the duct. Okay, and you can draw a duct and see how it comes. Okay, so I've drawn a duct, and right now you can see, yeah, we have drawn a duct. It's too easy, right? We don't need to draw anything. Okay, so in the bottom portion you can see the detail level, and I'm just going with fine. And the graphics visibility I'm gonna with shadows. Okay, now you can see in a pretty good way, right? It's with shadows. Okay, all right, so so let me check this thing in 3D. So I'm gonna just select this thing, okay, and I'm just gonna type B. Okay, no, let me go to the modify tabs. Okay, in modify tabs I can see section box or BX. So I'm gonna hit that thing. Also you can just hit the BX button in the keyboard. Okay, so I'm gonna hit this button. So yeah, we will be learning this. Okay, so right now we need to get rid of these things. Okay, anyhow it's there, we need to get rid of this box right now to get a clear view. Okay, so let me go to visibility graphics. Okay, just type VB, go to annotation, and just search for S, and you can see a scope box. Okay, just uncheck the scope box and select section box. Okay, and just apply. Okay, so now it's pretty much clear, like it's all the unwanted things are gone. Okay, so now we can move this thing. Okay, we can just rotate this thing by holding the shift key along with your mouse center point. Okay, and we can just adjust the view section box view by moving this thing up or down or sideways or anyways. Okay, any side you can move. Okay, and you can get a better view of what you've drawn in 3D. And just change this thing to shaded so that you can pretty much see what we have done here. It's good actually. So this is the first step that you can do in Revit. Like, we drawn something in 2D and we checked this thing in 3D. Okay, so it's good. Now we are dealing with something bigger. All right, so let's draw this duct inside this building. Okay, so, and see how we can see it and how it can be helpful. So let me draw a duct by typing DT. So we draw a duct, and I'm trying to select. Okay, just selected this thing, and I need to select the whole thing. So I'm just trying to select, just place the mouse over there and just press tab button so that the whole duct will be selected, and just press the mouse button, left mouse button, and just type BX, so it will be just taking us to the 3D view. Yeah, so whole thing that we have selected is now in showing in 3D. So we can just adjust it and see. Yeah, it's interesting, right? You can see this inside the building. So I'm just going with fine, I'm just going with shaded. Okay, after that we will be going to the properties browser and we'll go to discipline. We'll be changing to the coordination. So for that we can see everything in a pretty good way. Okay, you can see the architecture and structural file right now. Okay, and inside the building that we have drawn the duct. So it's pretty good. We can understand and draw these things. Okay, we can know like this duct is going inside this building wherever it is, and it will be useful for us to work with. So this is one of the application of the Revit file. Okay, we can pretty much clearly understand what we are trying to do in the file. Okay, not in a 2D way. We can really understand how this duct is going inside, or anywhere. We can just get a clear understanding of how everything is going. So this is the our first video. So in the next video I'll be sharing with you how you can create a routing for this duct, so that everything will be going in a pretty nicer way. Like all the elbows reduces, everything will be, all the tabs and all will be in a pretty much good way. So we'll be learning everything step by step. So don't worry, so everything is easy. So all you need to do is just download the Revit file, do something like this, and just play with the Revit file and everything will be fine. So it's pretty easy. So anyhow, thank you so much for watching this video. In the next video I'll be uploading a lot of things. So in this video, if you have any doubts regarding anything, just comment in the sections below, or you can just text me or call me. I'll be sharing my number and email ID. You can ask me anytime, and it's completely my happiness. So thank you for watching, and so thank you.